How did he become martyr? Okay, martyr. Yesterday I explained what is martyr. One who dies for his own country, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here it is asked about Kinnerwala, Vinod Kinnerwala. Okay, whom it is asked? Vinod Kinnerwala. Okay, who will
Okay,
read?
ma'am. Ma'am, can I read Muskan? Ma'am, can I touch it?
Yes, Tathi, read beta.
Four. How did he become a martyr? On
No,
on
beta.
night. On
Tathir,
night. Huh?
beta,
Okay,
your
ma'am.
voice is not coming clear.
Okay, ma'am. One second. Can I read, Iman?
No,
One
Iman.
minute. How did now my voice is clear?
No, set your mic near your lips, beta.
Okay. How did he become a martyr? On 9 August 1942, the first day of the Quality India measurement led the way.
Yes, Iman, you read. Her voice is not coming clear.
Ma'am, can I read Muskan?
Yes, Muskan, continue, beta. Iman is not
Yes,
listening.
ma'am.
Can I?
Question number
Kasman
four.
effort.
How
Ifat,
did
now wait, I said Muskan, okay?
Question number four. How did he become a martyr? On 9 August 1942, the first day of the Quit India movement led by Mahatma Gandhi, Vinod Tenariwala was shot dead by British officers for trying to hoist the Indian flag while protesting in front of the college. When the British officer standing just a few feet for him asked him to put the flag down, Vinod Tenariwala replied definitely that he was not going to do anything of the sort. The officer shot him from point blank range. Vinod Pinariwala was just 18 years old at the time.
Yes. So, what is in this answer? That how did Vinod Kinarwala become a martyr? Okay.
Okay,
See,
ma'am.
yes. In this question, we are learning about how did he become martyr? Matlab, how did he sacrifice his life for his country? Okay. So it
Okay,
is
ma'am.
about in 1942. We got independence in 1947, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
on 9th August 1942, the first day of the Quit India movement led by Mahatma Gandhi. By whom? By Mahatma.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes, by Mahatma Gandhi. Vinod Kinarwala was shot dead by a British officer. By whom was he shot dead? By a British
British officer.
officer, right? For
Yes,
trying
sir.
for trying a hoist for trying to hoist the Indian flag while protesting in the front of a college. उन्होंने क्या किया था? नेशनल फ्लैग को होइस्ट किया था, मतलब लगाया था। कहाँ पे? एक कॉलेज के पास। ठीक है। तो when
Okay,
the British officer standing just a few feet from him asked him to put the flag down, एक पुलिस ऑफिसर, ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर थे जो वहां से उनके किनर वाला when किनर who was standing just a few feet away from him, from whom? From Vinod Kennerwala, है ना? So
yes, ma'am.
he asked him to put the flag down. It's not fair, right? So
Yes,
Vinod,
ma'am.
yes, so Vinod Kinnerwala replied definitely that he was not going to do anything of the short, मतलब जो उन्होंने बोला ऐसा वो कुछ नहीं करने वाले, फ्लैग को नीचे नहीं उतारेंगे. So what did the officer do then? The officer shot him from point blank range. Vinod Kinarwala was just 18 years old at that time. है ना? कल मैंने आपको चंद्रशेखर आजाद के बारे में एक स्टोरी सुनाई थी.
Yes, ma'am.
चंद्रशेखर सीताराम तिवारी, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो
Yes, ma'am.
आज हमने विनोद
Thank you.
किन्नरवाला के बारे में सुना है ना। तो विनोद
Yes, ma'am.
किन्नरवाला, यस, विनोद किन्नरवाला also had nationalism in his heart, and he was just 18 years old at the time when he died for his nation, for our country, right? So this way
Yes,
beta,
ma'am.
this way many leaders from our India have sacrificed their life for our country. Yes, for our independence, for
Yes,
their
ma'am.
faith in their country. So we as an Indian citizen, all of us should have faith in our country. All of us should, have nationalism in our country, right? We should
Yes,
have love for our motherland. है ना, भारत माता के लिए हमें रिस्पेक्ट लव सब होना चाहिए, है ना। यस,
Yes, ma'am.
यस इफत, रिवाइज दिस आंसर विच आई Yes, Ifat. Ismat or Ifat, who was that asking for permission?
Kasmanifat.
Hi, Ifat, revise beta.
Question number 4. How did he become a martyr? Answer. On 9th August 1942, the first day of the Quit India movement led by Mahatma Gandhi, Vinod Kinarwala was shot dead by a British officer by trying to hoist the Indian flag while protesting the front of the college when the British officer standing just a few feet from him asked him to put the flag down. Vinod Kinarwala replied definitely that he was not going to
Ma'am,
do
I am lifting because ma'am, I am lifting because my phone is not charged at all.
the officer shoot him from room point blank
For ma'am,
range which Kina, Kinariwala
I am lifting because my phone is not charged at all. Bye, ma'am.
Ifat, you
time.
continue.
Ma'am,
Okay.
then
Yes, beta. कौन बोला था बीच में?
Excuse me for a ma'am.
बोलो.
Ma'am, Iman is telling that my mobile has not charged. No, that why I am lifting.
अच्छा. Okay, Iman, are you there?
Ma'am, Iman.
देखो,
Iman.
कोई भी आंसर जब बोल रहा हो तब बीच में ऐसे नहीं बोलना है. Okay, you don't have to speak in middle. It's okay if you leave, then again you can join once you are in. Is it clear? Don't speak in middle.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, chalo. Who else will like to revise this answer?
Ma'am, can I Muskan?
नहीं, मुस्कान ने अभी किया. और कोई? Anyone else?
Balkani Sadaf.
Yes, Sadaf. Say better.
Number 4. How did he become a martyr? Answer. On 9th August
सदाफ,
1942.
सदाफ,
Yes.
सॉरी टू इंटरप्रेट.
Yes.
आपको मार्टियर का मीनिंग समझ में आ गया ना बेटा?
Yes.
समझ में आया है? ओके, कंटिन्यू देन.
On 9th August 1942, the first day of the Quit India movement led by Mahatma Gandhi, Vinod Kinarwala was shot dead by a British officer for trying to hoist the Indian flag while protesting in front of the college, when the British officer standing just a feet from him asked him to put down. Vinod replied defiantly that he was not going to do anything of the sort. The officer shot him from point blank range. Vinod Kala was just 18 years old at that time.
Yes. Understood everyone the answer? Anyone wants to
Yes,
revise
ma'am.
again?
Ma'am, Jamani Eliza.
Yes, Aliza. Chalo fast. Okay, then we will move to the next question and answers. Understood no the answer everyone?
Yes, ma'am. We had
Yes,
understood the
ma'am.
answer.
Yes, say better. Jamani Aliza?
Uh,
Yes, Jamani Aliza, speak
ma'am,
better.
2 minutes. Uh, ma'am, fourth number ka
Yes, beta. We are revising that only.
question 4. How did he become a martyr?
Martyr.
Answer:
Okay.
on 19 August 1942, the first day of Quiet India movement led by Mahatma Gandhi, Vinod Kha- Khariwala was
Kinarwala.
shot
Kinarwala.
dead.
Kinarwala.
Kinarwala was shot dead by British officer for trying to hoist the Indian flag while protesting in front of the college. When the British officer standing just a few feet from him asked him to put the flag down, Kinariwala rep- replied, replied definitely that he was not going to do anything of the sort. The officer shot him from point blank range. Vinod Kinariwala was just 18 years old at time.
Yes, understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am. We had
Yes,
understood.
yes, Muskan. What did you understand in this answer?
Ma'am, that Vinod Kinariwala as British officer has told that
Yes.
ma'am that
Yes, try. Read and try.
yes, ma'am. On 9th August 1942, the first day of the Quit India movement led by Mahatma Gandhi. That in answer, on 9th August 1942, day of the Quit India movement that led by Mahatma Gandhi.
Uh,
And, and Vinod Kinariwala shot uh, British officer has shot point blank to Vinod Kinariwala,
yes.
and he was 18 years old that time. And
Yes, very good.
the flag has hoist at the college, and the British officer
Yes,
standing just a few feet from him.
very good. Hmm.
Then he has said that put the flag down. So
Yes,
Vinod Kinariwala has replied definitely that he was not going to do anything of the sort.
yes. And so,
And
what
then
does the Britisher do? Britishers, the
shot
British
him.
officer was there, standing there, right? So, what did
Yes,
he
ma'am.
do? He shot him with a point blank
Point blank
range.
range.
Yes, and Kinarwala was just 18 years old at that time when he became martyr, when he died,
Became
when he
martyr.
became, yes, जब वो शहीद हो गए है ना. चलो,
Yes, ma'am.
हम फिर ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी we're doing, right? Yes,
Yes,
continue, beta. We completed 1 and 2 number, and 3 number
yes,
also we
ma'am.
completed. Revise it once, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Question number 4. Answer the following questions in short. First, who is a martyr? Answer: one who suffers that in defense of his faith or belief in his country or city or village is called martyr. Second, what did Chandrasekhar said to the court about his name? Answer: Chandrasekhar told the court that his name was Azad. Question number three.
Yes. When he was presented in the court, yes, when he was
Yes, ma'am.
asked, "Okay, what is your name?" At that time, what did he say? He said that my name is,
Azad.
yes, Azad, and my house is,
Azad.
where is your residence? It was asked कि आपका घर कहाँ पे है? तब उन्होंने क्या बोला था? चंद्रशेखर सीताराम तिवारी ने बोला था कि मेरा घर प्रिजन है, मतलब जेल। और इतना ही नहीं, उनको आगे ये भी पूछा गया था कि तो उस दिन से चंद्रशेखर सीताराम तिवारी was known as चंद्रशेखर आजाद, है
Azad.
ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and all did he did for our country, for the freedom of our country from the Britishers, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
so in the first answer it is, who is a martyr? कौन martyr किसे कहा जाता है? Who is a martyr?
That one who suffers that in defense of
Of
his
his
faith
faith,
for
or
belief in his country.
city or village, है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Is called martyr.
Very good. Okay, chalo.
Thank
Now
you.
yes, the next answer. Third also we had completed, no, in the last class.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can
Yes,
I read question first?
Ma'am,
yes.
can
If
I read?
read.
What reason did the bird?
Ifat is reading.
No,
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 ma'am.
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 Person is reading.
Continue, beta. Ifat, I said you.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
I am reading first and second answer.
Huh?
Ma'am, I have read Muskan first and second answer.
I asked Ifat to read, beta.
Question 3. What punishment did the British judge give Chandrasekhar? Answer. The British judge ordered 12 whippings with scourge, scourge to Chandrasekhar as punishment.
Yes. So the British judge ordered 12 whippings with scourge to Chandrasekhar as punishment, है ना? As a
Yes,
punishment. As a punishment उनको ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने ये पनिश किया कि आपको क्या करना है? हम्म क्या
ma'am,
पनिश?
12 whippings.
12
12
whippings,
whippings.
scourge.
12 whippings.
विथ स्कॉरेज, जैसे मैंने आपको
With
कल समझाया
scourge.
था ना कि,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, 12 whippings मतलब क्या? जो चाबुक से नहीं मारते उसे।
Yes, ma'am. चाबुक से मारते हैं.
हाँ, तो ऐसा हार्ड पनिशमेंट मिला था उनको, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, चलो। नाउ यहाँ पे एक और स्टोरी है जो मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगी। एक मेघराज विलेज की स्टोरी है जिसके बारे में हम यहाँ पे पढ़ेंगे। आप they had made an they had made they used to make one statue, okay, स्टेच्यू ऑफ मैन विदाउट एनी क्लोथ्स, जिन्होंने जिस स्टेच्यू ने कोई क्लोथ्स ना पहने हो, है ना, और उनका नाम लज्जी रखते थे, LAJI, ओके। और जब होली आए ना, होली उस टाइम पे ही वो लोग ये स्टेच्यू पे, यू नो, उन ब्रिटिशर्स ने ऐसा रखा था कि ऑन द ओकेशन ऑफ होली, यू नो, मेघराज विलेज जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, तो वहां पे इस स्टेच्यू के सेंटर में रख के क्या करना था, विलेजर्स को उसके अराउंड मूव करना था ना। तो ये किसी को पसंद नहीं आया था कि स्टेच्यू के अराउंड क्यों हम मूव करें, है ना। हम तो किसी भगवान की प्रतिमा के अराउंड मूव करेंगे या फिर किसी ऐसी जगह पे, पर ये स्टेच्यू, और कोई स्टेच्यू जिसने कुछ कपड़े ना पहने हो उसके अराउंड क्यों घूमे, है ना।
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me for a minute.
है ना। तो बच्चों, तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, तो पीपल डिड नॉट लाइक दिस कि ब्रिटिशर्स ने जो ये रूल बनाया है वो people
Ma'am,
को
excuse me.
अच्छा नहीं लगा, पर people were
Excuse me,
scared to
ma'am.
speak against do anything against Britishers, है ना। तो फिर पूनमचंद पंड्या थे, बोलो
Ma'am, what?
बोलो क्या बोलना है,
Ma'am,
बोलो
Danya mic
कुलसुम,
is
बोलो क्या
on.
बोलना है।
Danya mic is on. That's why your voice is not good. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, mute your mics, all of you. And Kulsum, you mute your mic. So no one liked Britishers' rule. But what could people do? People could not. People were scared to speak against the Britishers, है ना। तो फिर क्या हुआ बच्चों कि उनमें से एक ऐसा लीडर था जैसे चंद्रशेखर आजाद, फिर गांधी जी, ऐसे सब जो मार्टियर्स थे हमारे देश के, ऐसे जज्बा जज्बा एक और लीडर रख रहा था जिसका नाम था पूनमचंद पंड्या, है ना। पूनमचंद पंड्या ने क्या किया बेटा, इस लज्जी नाम के स्टेच्यू को उनके फ्रेंड्स के साथ तोड़ दिया, मिलके तोड़ दिया, है ना। तो ब्रिटिशर्स वर वेरी एंग्री, बट पीपल वेर वेरी हैप्पी, है ना, क्योंकि अब उनको उस स्टेच्यू के अराउंड घूमना नहीं पड़ेगा, राइट। ब्रिटिशर्स वेर वेरी एंग्री and people were very happy because now the villagers do not have to move around the statue on the day of Holi, right? So
Ma'am.
this is a story, this is a story of Meghraj village. Okay, कहाँ की स्टोरी है ये,
Meghalaya
मेघराज।
village.
यस, वेरी
Meghraj
गुड, चल,
village.
यस कंटिन्यू बेटा,
Ma'am, who?
मुझ कंटिन्यू दिस आंसर विच आई एक्सप्लेन्ड यू, स्टोरी जो मैंने आपको
Okay, ma'am.
बताई उसके रिलेटेड सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है ना।
Okay, ma'am.
ओके, यस।
Okay, ma'am. Question number 4. What law was made in Meghalaya village on the occasion of Holi? Answer. The law made by the Britishers on the occasion of Holi in Meghalaya village was the British officials made a statue of a man without any clothes. They named it as Lachi. It was erected in the center village. It was compulsory for the villagers to move around this statue on the day of Holi.
Yes, it was compulsory. What was it? It was compulsory for the villagers to move around the statue on the day of Holi, right? So
Yes,
this way, yeah, so this way मेघराज विलेज में जो ये ब्रिटिशर्स ने जो ब्रिटिश ऑफिशियल्स ने जो रूल बनाया था वो तोड़ दिया। ओके, ने
okay.
तोड़ा पूनमचंद पंड्या ने। यस, एनीवन एल्स वुड लाइक टू रिवाइज द आंसर नंबर 4?
Ma'am, can
Chamani
I
Aliza.
consume? Ma'am, can I
सॉरी,
pass my answer? Consume.
Chamani
Ma'am,
Aliza.
Malkani Khadija. Ma'am,
यस
consume.
खादीजा, रीड बेटा।
Number 4. What law was made in Meghalaya village on the occasion of Holi? Answer. The law made by Britishers on the occasions of Holi in Megharaj was village was the British official made a statue of a man without any clothes. They named it as Laji. It was erected in the center of the village. It was compulsory for the villagers to move around this statue on the day of Holi.
Yes, very good. Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Understood. Chalo. Anyone who has not understood can ask me any questions. Which part you didn't understand? Hmm?
Ma'am, I don't understand.
ओके, कौन सी लाइन नहीं समझ में आई? कुलसुम,
Answer
कौन सी
number. Yes, ma'am.
કઈ
Answer
લાઈન નથી
num-
સમજમાં આવી કુલસુમ?
Answer number 4 is short question answer. You explain
पूरा
half
आंसर नहीं
do.
समझ में आया कुलसुम?
Half explain half do.
है?
No, ma'am. I do half. I
Okay, so in
did
that case,
also.
Kulsum, you see once the video when it comes, okay, then which you don't. Okay, so when you don't understand, you see the video once, and then which part you don't understand, no, that write down those lines. I'll explain you the story. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
chalo. Yes, everyone. So then also Kulsum, एक बार read करो आप तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am. What layer was baked in Meghalaya village on the official of Holi? The layer bake of the Meghas on the official of Holi in Meghalaya village was the
मेघालय नहीं मेघराज.
Megha was the first official
Okay, no
bake.
problem. Listen, so आप क्या करना है आज? Listen, I have sent you the PDF. Okay, you are doing nice, beta. But then also, you revise it once the answer. Okay, and then